Welcome, future Randolph Raiders. My name is Brian Bambauer, and I'm the proud principal here at Randolph Middle School. Normally, we would be inviting you and your families to Randolph Middle School for our Raider Rally registration event. However, as you know, schools are closed as we navigate the coronavirus pandemic. Therefore, we're going to virtually register students who will be new to Randolph next year. We are excited about the incoming cohort of bright, eager students who will be joining the Randolph family. The 2020-2021 school year promises to be another great year for Randolph Middle School. As things gradually return to normal, we plan to host our annual open house event for all students new to Randolph several days prior to the first day of school in August. More information will be shared over the summer about our open house. Again, welcome to Randolph, and please continue to the next video link to your right. Assistant Principal Andrew Bell will walk you through the registration process. We hope you and your family are staying safe and healthy.